Hello, I'm Kurt Browning, Pasco County Superintendent of Schools. Thank you for attending Open House. The fact that you are taking the time to attend Open House really says a lot. It says that you are committed to your student success. It means that you're partnering with your school, working together for your student. Engaged parents and dedicated teachers are a powerful combination. With each school year, I try to set some goals for myself. Here are some goals that I hope you will keep in mind. Number one, try to maintain a high level of engagement throughout the year, and most of all, ensure your kids go to class. Number two, ensure that your students attend school on time and ready to learn. Number three, establish and maintain open lines of communication with your students' teachers and school leadership. And that includes making sure that we have the most up-to-date contact information for you and your family. And finally, commit to being part of the solution. During the course of the school year, every school will face challenges. Our teachers and staff members are doing their best. There will be times when you can help out or simply offer a word of encouragement. It may seem like a small thing, but it could make a huge difference. With patience, kindness, and creativity, we can all contribute to maintaining a safe and healthy learning environment for our students. Once again, thank you for taking the time to attend Open House. I know we have the same goal in mind, students' success. When we work together, I know we can reach that goal and continue to offer our students a world-class education. Thank you.